starting around 05 April 2024, Truly Spell Truly token essentially is exchanging at $0.111 in term of its US rate, with the value change of 0.74% in most recent 60 minutes, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Spell generally has a truly complete market cap of $116,648,513 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $8,783,601, which fundamentally shows that starting around 05 April 2024, really Spell Extremely token certainly is exchanging at $0.111 in term of its US rate with a value change of 0.74% in kind of most recent 60 minutes, which truly is genuinely huge. This truly makes in every practical sense. Spell certainly token Spell beautiful positioning at 438 in the digital currency market, also they by and large thought. On the off chance that you fundamentally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what sort of is the Spell really token cost expectation end of 2024, what will truly Spell kind of token in every practical sense be somewhat worth in 2024 in an unpretentious manner? Is basically Spell truly token a very wise speculation or especially worth purchasing in 2024, which all things considered is very huge? Will Spell cost in a real sense outperform its unequaled high, or so they by and large thought? These in every practical sense are our particularly Spell certainly token cost expectations for Spell's future, which sort of is genuinely huge. Spell especially token Spell value expectation 2024 as per the Spell genuinely token estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Spell cost in every practical sense is supposed to basically cross an essentially normal value level of $0.15, the normal truly least value worth of really Spell kind of token toward the finish of the very current year ought to in every practical sense be $0.15 in a significant way. Besides, truly Spell can explicitly arrive at a for the most part greatest value level of $0.117, which really is very critical. Spell value figure April 2024. Concerning April 2024, generally Spell kind of token basically is supposed to especially arrive at an especially least value worth of $0.011, or so they essentially thought. The Spell cost could truly arrive at a most extreme cost of $0.012 with a sort of typical cost around $0.012. Especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Spell especially token Spell value expectation May 2024. The cost for Spell extremely token in May 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $0.012 and $0.013, which is very huge. While the in every way that really matters, normal exchanging cost ought to by and large be around $0.012, showing how these in a real sense are our generally Spell token cost expectations for Spell's future, which is very critical. Spell truly token Spell value figure June 2024. For June 2024, the cost of explicitly Spell commonly token truly is truly anticipated to basically arrive at a typical cost of $0.013, while the coin could exchange between an especially limit of $0.013 and an essentially least of $0.012, or so they in a real sense thought. Spell extremely token Spell value expectation July 2024. The cost for the most part Spell in every way that really matters, token in July 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $0.012 and $0.014 in an unpretentious manner. While the by and large normal exchanging cost ought to generally be around $0.013 in a quite huge manner, Spell sort of token value expectation August 2024. The cost of certainly Spell especially token in every way that really matters is for the most part anticipated to in a real sense reach at a truly least worth of $0.113 in August 2024, in spite of mainstream thinking. The Spell cost could explicitly arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of $0.014 with the typical exchanging worth of $0.014 all through 2024 in a sort of significant manner. Spell sort of token value estimate September 2024. In September 2024, the exceptionally most extreme cost for especially Spell pretty token could truly stretch around $0.015 in a quite large manner. Besides, the minimum cost of certainly Spell in September 2024 for the most part is $0.013 with a kind of typical cost of $0.014, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Spell really token Spell value expectation October 2024. The cost for especially Spell kind of token in October 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $0.014 and $0.916 in a kind of significant manner. While the truly normal exchanging cost ought to generally be around $0.114, which truly is genuinely critical. Spell truly token value estimate November 2024. In November 2024, the genuinely most extreme cost for certainly spell exceptionally token could in a real sense stretch around $0.17, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Moreover, the minimum cost of fundamentally spell in November 2024 really is $0.14 with a kind of typical cost of $0.15. So while the truly normal exchanging cost ought to sort of be around $0.14 in an exceptionally huge manner, spell really token value estimate December 2024. In December 2024, the sort of most extreme cost for in a real sense spell commonly token could explicitly stretch around $0.17 in an unobtrusive manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of sort of spell in December 2024 truly is $0.15 with a by and large normal cost of $0.15, so will truly spell cost basically outperform its unsurpassed high, which generally is genuinely critical. Spell genuinely token sort of past value examination in the genuinely beyond 24 hours. The crypto sort of has been fundamentally diminished by 588% in its ongoing worth. So starting around 05 April 2024. Generally spell pretty token explicitly is exchanging at $0.11 in term of its Oster rate with a value change of 0.74% in absolute most recent 60 minutes. Also they in every way that really matters, thought. On the off chance that we explicitly look at the ongoing business sector cap of the spell with yesterday's, you can explicitly see that the market cap generally is likewise down, which most certainly shows that will basically spell cost most certainly outperform its unsurpassed by and large high in an especially significant manner. Spell essentially token fundamentally is confronting a kind of tough time jumping aboard with really other crypto coins, which in a real sense shows that essentially is in every practical sense. Spell commonly token a fundamentally wise speculation or fundamentally worth purchasing in 2024, or so they truly thought. The spell truly is down to nearly 18.9% in the essentially most recent 7 days, showing how while the kind of typical exchanging cost ought to especially be around $113, which in a real sense is very huge. The coin truly is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for genuinely past truly couple of days. The coin could in a real sense have serious areas of strength for essentially, however, we don't especially believe that it would a productive resource in sort of present moment, which generally is genuinely critical. Spell truly token value gauge 2024 facts what will truly be in a real sense spell sort of token especially worth in 2024 fundamentally. As opposed to prevalent thinking, the spell cost most certainly is estimated to sort of arrive at a truly greatest degree of $0.17 with most certainly least cost of $0.15 toward the finish of 2024 in a very huge manner. Accomplishes in every practical sense, spell kind of token generally have a future, which truly is very huge. Concerning cost, truly spell kind of token has an extraordinary